Hello, welcome to了丨Chinese Masterclass. Today, we'll look at these two grammar points. The interrogative pronoun 即 with the modal particle 了. In this lesson, you are going to learn the meaning and usage of these two words with examples on each. Stay tuned. The interrogative pronoun 即 is used to ask for numbers less than 10, meaning that the person asking the questions estimates that the answer should be less than 10. For example, we have 你家有几个人？你家有几个人？ How many people are there in your family? 你家有几个人？ How many people are there in your family? So then the response, the reply is usually this way. You need to repeat the information and change the question word. Repeat the information and change the question word 题 with numbers. We should change the question word 题 with numbers. So, for example, someone asks me, how many people are there in your family? So, we are 6 people in my family. I will simply say, 我家有六个人。我家有六个人. Meaning what? There are 6 people in my family. The call here literally means a major word. So, a major word. In our last video, we already discussed the meaning of major word. So every noun has its own major word. It is used to count the quantity of a noun. Beautiful. Now let's see more questions. 你有几个孩子？你有几个孩子？ How many kids do you have? So another use of this interrogative pronoun is we can use it to ask of time in Chinese language. For example, you want to ask someone, you meet someone, and you want to ask, please, what's the time? Can you help me check what the time is? So you can simply say 现在几点?现在几点? What's the time now? Well, literally, it means now is what time. 现在 means now. 几点? What time is it? So the response is usually say now is 4 o'clock. I will simply respond to 现在. Remember, repeating the information. 现在, which is now, 4点. Now is 4 o'clock. 点 here means o'clock. So you can change with any time you want to talk to. So you can say 现在4点 or 现在5点 or 现在6点. So any one of your choice. So let's see more example. So you want to ask somebody, what time do you usually eat? Like what time do you used to eat? So you simply ask. Put it this way. 你几点吃饭？你几点吃饭? So these are all normal questions that we usually ask day to day. 你几点? You, what time do you eat? 吃饭 is to eat. What time do you eat? So the response is usually 我4点吃饭 or 我8点吃饭. Let's see more examples. 你几点起床？你几点起床? When do you wake up? When do you wake up? Or what time do you wake up? What time do you used to wake up? That's just it. What time? You want to know the time that the person used to wake up. So the response is usually the same. 我6点起床 or 我7点起床 is very simple to use. So it can be used for time to ask about time, for how many, for many things. But the question you want to use it to ask for must be questions that has numbers less than 10. That is how to use it. Beautiful. Good. Let's see the last one for today, which is the modal particle la. The modal particle la is used at the end of a declarative sentence to express affirmative mood. The meaning is usually it has been done, or it has been achieved, or something has been finished. Could. For example, 我看了今天的报纸了。我看了今天的报纸了。Meaning, I already read today's newspaper. I already read today's newspaper. So 我看了 that la there means you already done it. So 我看了今天 today 的报纸了。报纸 means newspaper. Beautiful. Let's see more example. 我今年23岁了。我今年23岁了。I'm already 23 this year. So I already turned 23 this year. Beautiful. Another example. 今天18号了。今天18号了。Today is already 18th. So today is already 18th. 18th day of the month. So 今天 meaning today 18号了。18 means 18. 18号了。The lot there literally means that it has already been done. So today is already 18 and nothing is gonna change it. La can also be used as a zero subject sentence, that is, sentence without subject. For example, 下雨了，下雨了, raining or it has been rained, it's already rained. 下雨了. Another example, 五月了，五月了, meaning what? It's already May. So it's May, it's already May. So May is 五月. Fifth month is May. 五月了，吃饭了，吃饭了。I already eaten, eaten. 吃饭了，知道了，知道了。I know, I already know. Beautiful. Today we'll be rounding up here today. Today's lesson we already learned the usage of the interrogative pronoun 及 and also the usage of the modal particle 了. In our next video, we are going to be discussing now stroke writing of Chinese language. Remember, what we are discussing now is lesson 5 of our HSK textbook. So in our next video, we'll be rounding up with lesson 5 of the HSK textbook, which is stroke writing. And after then, we'll move into the lesson 6. So if you don't have a textbook, visit my channel, check on the comment section. We will get yours there. Or you can message me, then I'll give it to you. Make sure you follow this lesson line by line from lesson 1 to 5 so that you understand the fundamental of this language. That is what really matters. So if you really enjoy this lesson, don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button, turn on your notification bell for more video updates. See you next time in our next video course. Goodbye. 再见。